Hello. So today we will do matrix. Find m plus n. 3m times with matrix 2n equals to 6, 12, negative 10, negative 20. So what you do here is, this is the order is 2 row and 1 column. 2 times 1 matrix. This is 1 times 2. So this 1 and 1 will be cancelled off, so you will get 2 times 2 matrix, which is this. So we expand this one, 3 times 2 will become 6. 3 times n will become 3n. M times 2 is 2m. M times n is mn. So this will be equal to the matrix to the right. 6, negative 10, 12, negative 20. Therefore, we can just compare. We have 6 equals to 6. 3n is equals to 12. So 3n is equals to 12. N is 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then you have here 2m is equals to negative 10. So therefore your m is negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. So our job is to find m plus n. M is negative 5. N is 4. So the answer is negative 1. Hope you learned something from this small video here. See you next time. Bye bye.